Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm traveling back to my hometown. So I decided that I have enough time and I want to save my money. So that's why I decided that I will travel through the city bus. You can see that the rush was this much, and if I will leave little late the rush will be too high. So I leave like 8 o'clock. I took the bus and I reached the airport like 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Yeah. So yeah, now I reached the airport. I know you guys are thinking that I reached the airport little early, but yeah, that's okay. Like from airport I directly went to the showroom. So as you guys can see from my blog one, we're regularly visiting showroom because we're like thinking that we will buy a car, but yeah, but we are little confused between two car like Creta and Alcazar. So but later we decided that no, we will buy the Alcazar, and today was the great day because we will buying the Alcazar for us. And yeah, today is the very great day for me and my family. And yeah, you guys can see like how happy I am, and like me and my sister. Yeah.
I'll look at you and say 나를 봐봐 in my craze 조금 더 망설이지 마